Today we're going to talk about oil life monitors. Now, General Motors recommends that you go by your oil life monitor in determining when you need to change your oil. Now, that's going to factor in things like time, engine revolutions, mileage. It's going to take all that and it's going to put it in together into one light or one percentage that you can see on your dash. That's going to be your indicator on when you need to change your oil. Now, some people ask, hey, you know what? My neighbor has the same vehicle as me. Seems like I'm in and out of the shop a lot more than they are changing my oil. Well, the reasons can be is just your driving habits alone. Some people get in their vehicle and they drive a long distance every single day in order to get to and from work. Some people get in their vehicle and they barely make it across town before they're there and shut the vehicle off. All these things come into play and factor into how long your oil is going to last in your vehicle. Now, your engine control module knows this, and it's going to factor that in when it's deciding on to alert you that your oil actually needs changed.